2D and 3D shapes. Now, as we all are familiar with the terms 2D and 3D, but what does it actually means? 2D means 2 dimensions and 3D means 3 dimensions. Now, over here we can see the 2-dimensional shapes are those that have measurements like length and breadth. That is only 2 measurements, right? It can be seen in square, rectangle, triangle and circle. All of these shapes are having just 2 dimensions, right? Those 2 dimensions can be any 2. Next we have is the 3D shapes, in which the solid objects are having 3 measurements like length, breadth and height. Now it could be height or depth depending on the object. Now the objects that have 3 dimensions will be known as my 3D shapes. Can we have some examples for them also? Yes, the examples could be the cube, the cuboid, what else? The cone, right? And the cylinder. So why are all these coming under the category of 3D shapes? Because we can see that over here the cube is having 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. Similarly, a cylinder has 3 dimensions. Similarly, you can have the cuboid, cone and even a sphere. Because all of these shapes are going to have 3 dimensions, they are coming under the category of 3D shapes, whereas the 2D shapes are having only 2 dimensions. There is one more point of difference between them. That is, the 3D shapes are going to occupy space also. Reason being, because they have the third dimension, the 2-dimension shapes are only going to occupy the surface area. Let's say I am going to place a paper on this board. Say this is the shape of the paper that I am going to place. Now is this going to occupy some space? No. The space occupied or the area occupied by this 2D shape is known as the surface area only. Whereas if I draw a 3D shape over here, let us draw a 3D shape. A 3D shape would somewhat look like this, right? I am going to make a cuboid which is coming under the category of 3D shape as it has 3 dimensions to it. So this is my 3D shape cuboid. Now for this you can see it has 3 dimensions, a length, that is this one, the breadth, that is this one, and we have the height also, which will be this one, right? Now having 3 dimensions means it is going to occupy the area as well as the space. It will occupy some space into it. So we say that the space occupied by 3D shapes as the volume. So these are the 2 differences between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So whenever you are visualizing shapes, always categorize them into 2, that is 2D shapes and 3D shapes.